I had toured a large state school before I came here in another state and was pretty well settled on it, and came here just to see something different and fell in love with it. It's a different feel. You really have the feel that the professors not only are at the top of their field in research, but are also there for the students.
We have a mission in our college. It's a learn, launch, lead mission, where we want our students to learn well, launch their careers, and become leaders. And to do all of those things is more than we've ever done before. And so we need the resources to do it. And so in that way, we can give our students the experiences and the environment they need to be successful.
Wyatt tells me that he's learned just as much from his peers, other students, the way that they collaborate and work on projects together as he has in the classroom.
We've just wrapped up a big phase of renovating our building. And so we're providing that professional environment for students so that while they are here, they are in a professional environment that mirrors what they will experience when they leave here.
A lot of the instruments that we use, of course, aren't cheap. And so the fact that we have the funds for them is huge.
All of the changes that I'm talking about, all of our renovations that we are doing for our students are funded by private donations. And so none of that would have happened. If you go back to our building, there were parts of it just a couple of years ago that were decades old. You walk into it now, and it is a modern professional environment that our students have access to because of the generosity of our donors.
In our family, our values have always been to support our children. From the time that they were small, all through primary school, grade school, high school, our family has always been involved in our children's activities and what they felt was important for them. And so it's no different now that they're at the university level. We still want to invest our time and our resources to help the programs be excellent. And to us, that's something separate from tuition. And it allows the departments here on the school campus to do some extra things that make this a really valuable education and to make it something that's special for the learning environment and for the memories later. Our donations are not large because we're paying tuition while he's here, but we believe that even a good number of small donations from a lot of people can really help the program.